A cautionary tale today. A few days ago I was modifying this Zaggy. I tried it with an EDF unit and it didn't fly, so I've put it back to a brushless configuration. I was using this propeller, which you can see is no more. As I was doing a full throttle test and holding it down on the bench here, the trestle below decided to revert itself to IKEA flatpack mode, and the whole ensemble ended up on the floor with the motor still going at full power and my transmitter over in the corner there. So in the desperate struggle to remove the battery, obviously the propeller gave up. As you can see, that is pretty scary on its own. At the time I couldn't find the other part and I wasn't overly concerned about that. Then a day or so ago I had to move one of my video lights. Let's see how much force it takes to remove it. Now that is well stuck in there. And this is pine. This is pine. It's been here for decades in this old house and in the baking sun. This is not a soft piece of pine. As you saw, it took some considerable force to remove that from the wood. When you look at the sharp edges, especially this point here, if that hadn't gone into my face or into my eye or into anybody else's, that would be pretty much game over, I think. So the message should be very clear. Always wear your safety goggles. I mentioned this when I was doing my tests on the thrust rig that I built. On this occasion I wasn't wearing these and I was extraordinarily lucky. So please take the message of this video seriously. If you see anybody else doing anything dangerous, then you can advise them to watch this video.